Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy. Let's get to the unboxing of this. So let's just move this keyboard out of the way. So let's get this keyboard out of my way. Okay, now I pre-opened this already so I could get the labels and stuff off of here and stuff. Just moved out the way. So I didn't open nothing up yet. I did check it out to see how it was wrapped up. So we do got the saber right here. They went on out and put a whole thing of pads and stuff in here. You know, you can see it's broken up. They put a lot of pads in here to protect the blade and the saber this time. Because I don't know what happened in shipping, but when I got the blade, literally everything was broken. As you can see, this blade is really off itself. Let's put this to the side. So they did send me an empty hilt with no electronics inside of it. The only electronics is inside here is just supposed to be the connector that's in it. So this time we're not going to be using a bat knife. We're going to just use a scissor. Okay, so here we go right here. Let's inspect it. As you can see. Okay, this one is cleaner. No dirt marks here. No scratch marks. It looks like right there. Yeah, you can tell this one is cleaner compared towards this one. You can see the glass eye a little. The crystal looks cleaner. That's how the crystal look on that one. This is the new one right here. Okay, so let's no wobbling, no shaking. There's a little bit of shake. No. Because this one, yeah, you could feel it shaking big time. So let's take the core out of this one. There we go. Like I said, I am going to make a video showing you guys how to take apart the soap saber. Or just let you guys, this pommel does come off. So you just unscrew it like that. And it comes off just like that, and you'll be able to hear everything a bit more better. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna take literally break down into that and see how exactly it is in the inside. Okay. Pre-electronics right there, as you can see. Oh, so that. Thank you. So that's how you. Thank you guys. So that's how you open it up. Okay. Oh, I didn't know that. I literally didn't. You know what? You learn new things every day, right? You learn new things every day. Okay. So that's how you do. Okay. Okay.
I am no Jedi. The dark side, my master.
And when you got this on, it stops this from going up and down. Okay. And I was asking, how do you remove this? They was not telling me, so now I know how to fully take it down. Ain't that a coinky-dink? Okay, so that is a big surprise. So I didn't know that. So literally these push down right there, and I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Okay, one side. There's another side, I believe, that pushes down. Or this one, it's probably just this one side. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I know how to take the full saber down apart. That's perfect. Alright guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces, one, I'm out. Peace, guys. Actually, you know what? We gotta get a thumbnail. So okay, here we go. So perfectly. Okay. And that's my thumbnail, guys. Alright guys, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces, Wong.